Hello UCFC Learn and Play friends. Today we want to bring you an activity that you can do inside with some things you find around your home. The weather's starting to change a little bit, it's starting to get a little bit colder, so we want to do something you can do inside and that you don't have to go to the store and buy anything extra for. So what I did is I went around my house and I found some seasonings. I found some smoked paprika, some ground cinnamon, some turmeric, some garlic powder, some gumbo filet, and then I also had some friends that went around their house and found some things that they could also share with me. Teacher Maria found some blueberries that she crushed to make us some purple, and she also boiled some cinnamon for us too. And then Miss Imelda had some hibiscus flowers at her house, so we were able to get this deep red. So you might be wondering what I'm going to do with all these spices and foods. Well, we're going to paint with them. So I've already dumped out my spices in this little ice cube tray just so I have a nice place to hold all my colors. And I'm just going to pour a little bit of warm water into them so we can start mixing our colors. Okay. And this is art, so it will get a little bit messy, but that's okay. We can wipe off the table later. I'm just going to take the back of a spoon. I'm going to mix my colors around a little bit. Ooh, that turmeric's turning into a nice golden yellow. The garlic powder is giving me like a beige off-white color, and I have some smoked paprika that's giving me a nice red. Okay. So here at the UCFC campus, we happen to have a lot of paper lying around, but if you don't have paper at your house, you can just take a brown paper bag that you got from the store, rip it up a little bit, and use this as your canvas to paint. So now that my spices are all mixed, we are ready to go. We are outside today, and I see a lot of trees, so I'm gonna paint some trees, I decided. So I need a little bit of cinnamon. It's a little clear right now, but that's okay. These aren't going to be exactly like watercolors because they are seasonings, but we can just play around and see what we can make. Oh, there's a little bit better. Gotta do some branches. There we go. And then what else does a tree have? Trees also have leaves. And the trees around me, the leaves are starting to change a little bit to oranges and reds. So we're going to put a little bit of some of our smoked paprika. Go. I also just saw a squirrel going by, so I'm gonna go back to my ground cinnamon and get a little brown. We're gonna have a little squirrel running up the tree right here. It's a little bushy tail. It's a very big tail. Didn't mean to make it that big, but it's already good, so you guys can do whatever you want. And I really want to use this jicama too. This is a great deep red color. Maybe I can use some of this for my leaves as well. Oh, that is very pretty. Add some few more leaves to my tree. It is fall, so leaves are starting to fall off the trees. So I'm gonna put some leaves on the ground down here too. I think the hibiscus flowers might be my favorite color so far. And then let's add some blueberries. I'm curious to see what this will look like on the paper. So I actually haven't tried this before, so let's see. Okay, it's like a nice pink, purpley color. I'm just gonna make this a sunset right now. Okay. And then when you're finished with your painting, you always have to sign your name so people know who this artwork is by. So I'm gonna sign my name. I'm gonna use the paprika to sign my name. So I'm Teacher Jessica, so I'm just gonna write Jessica. And voila, we are all finished. If you guys want to do this project at home with some of the things you find in your cabinet or your pantry or in your kitchen, we would love to see what you're able to create. So make sure you post on the UCFC Learn and Play page.